Let's see an example of HelloApp Studio in-app integration created for sample RadStudio Delphi application. The application contains two forms. Each of them displays particular guide upon opening. This is how it looks at runtime. The guide for the first form is displayed. After displaying the second form, it shows its own guide. Now let's check the code we used for this. On the forms, we have timers that are activated upon form showing. And inside the timer event, we just shall execute the HelloApp Studio player file. Here are the file names for each form. This code launches the players file. As our sample supports Mac operating system as well as Windows, we use different code for each target platform. At form showing, we activate the timer. Timer event checks if the tutorial file exists and executes it. On the second form, we have a similar design. Timer that will be activated upon form showing, and in its event, the tutorial will be displayed. As you can see, the integration of created in-app tutorials made with HelloApp Studio is very easy and requires just one or several simple lines of code.